What's up, RSF with pro tapers? Don't play with me.
Let's get it started.
Oh! Yes, sir.
You ready? Sheesh. We ain't getting all dirty in this. Too nice. Woo! In between the trees. Trees. Keepers. Yeah. Jiminy Cricket. Jiminy, up. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, such a great time. Great time. Indeed, my indubitably friend.
He's so far behind me. Run. Oh, he's gaining on me. He's gaining on me, no. He's gaining on me, no. Train tracks. Trail closed. That sounds like it's a trail for us. Fuck what I said about mud. Alright? Don't say shit, bro. Don't say shit to me, bro. Holy cannoli. Holy granola bar. Oh, guess what this is? This is the loud material. I think asphalt, bro. Yo, construction operator need to hit me up and tell me what material this is, for real. I want my whole driveway this material. I think he got scared. There's nothing. Here, guys, I'm gonna show you what he's scared of. I'm very lost and confused. I think that's a TV show. All right, I'll go over there. If there's people, I'll go talk to them and see what's up. All right. Nah, you're good. All right, bet. He sent us on a mission. He gave us a side quest, so shit, you know we're gonna fucking take that shit up. I mean, we could probably low-key get through. That looks good as hell, dude. I'm not gonna fuck with it. Oh, that's pretty cool looking. That's pretty good looking, low-key. Ain't nothing going on. I don't think it's worth it, but hey man, I'm an investigative journalist, dude. I needed to get to the bottom of it. All right, bet. The water's so low. The water's so low here. I jumped off of this bridge into this water.
You have?
Yeah, I did.
That's wild, dude.
Bro, my friend was standing over on that, and I was up there, and they're like, "Hey, he's gonna jump off the bridge to get this girl's Snapchat." And then it just, and then I'm just standing there. I was like, "Fucking jump in that shit, dude."
What the fuck?
I'll put that video.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully she's not mad. That's all I can really say. 'Cause I'm not gonna fucking talk to her. Random walking lady. Probably not even gonna put this shit in the video for real.
You should give her more room. You need to consider other people.
Oh, guy with a dog. Hopefully his dog don't. Oh, that dog looks happy as hell. Yes, sir. Trying to stand up is crazy. Bro, I successfully... Bro, that's fucking hilarious, bro. You're just like you're just sliding going like 20 miles an hour.